don't like the sound of that.
Just head up the hill! Look for the large gate!
Could have warned me about the wolves, Doctor.
It's all clear, Laura! Come on up!
These are fascinating.
I've seen these before.
Oh?
They must be ritualistic.
This female image is particularly interesting.
Looks like it was made quite recently.
It's by those islanders, no doubt. Judging by the wrecks out there, they were once like us. Survivors. Remarkable.
Yes, well, let's hope we don't become murderers, too.
See if you can work the other one.
The handle's missing.
Together.
Oh, shit. It won't take the force. I'll have to find something sturdier to turn it with.
Must be something around here we can use. Incredible.
This'll work. Just need a bit more. Needs something stronger.
All right, Laura. Shall we give it a go, then?
Let's do this, Doctor.
Whenever you're ready. Female figure on the gate. Given the age of the symbols, it could be the Sun Queen.
Himiko. Are you sure you're not channeling Sam, Dr. Whitman?
Well, there's no doubt. Himiko had power. Some say shamanistic, elemental.
A woman wields that much power, and sooner or later it gets called witchcraft.
We shouldn't discount anything, even what may seem to us irrational. We still have much to learn about the world.
You sound like my father.
It could be one hell of a story, Laura.
Not if we don't live to tell it.
Incredible. Oh, it is Himiko.
But look, the bowl, the candles. Why is she still being worshipped?
This island, it must have once been part of Yamatai. You were right, Laura.
The Lost Kingdom.
It's like finding Atlantis.
But this is real, Dr. Whitman. We're not standing on a myth.
No, we're standing on a gold mine!
Come, quickly. Your friends are hurt.
Yes, probably by them.
Get back!
They can't be trusted. You still have a gun.
I don't want any trouble.
No.
We'll come.
No.
But I insist that afterwards you take us to whoever's in charge.
What are you doing?
Be quiet.
No!
I'm handling this!
No! Ah!
No! Please!
Get off!
Just go along with them, Laura. Do whatever they say.
Дай меня пистолет. Иди. Пошла!
Who are you people? What do you want with us?
Laura! If they give you any trouble, kill them!
Don't hurt them,
I
please!
said, silence, girl. А ты ведь хорошенькая, да? Напоминаешь мою сестру.
Let go! Let go! Laura, run!
No! No!
Round them up! Round them up! Don't you fucking move! Kill them all!
Hey, bring up
Don't
the
make a
prisoner!
sound.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Если они оставляют много хлопот, убей!
Anything?
I can't find her. She's gone.
We'll keep looking.
There! Another one!
God.
Gotta run out of the trap! All right, let's find the rest. Move out!
This group's got some fight. Then I have to kill them. Too bad. Gotta use some more recruits.
Hey! The girl is missing. Keep an eye on her.
All right.
What do you see? Nothing. This looks clear. Keep moving up the mountain. Kill the rest.
Любишь играться в прятки, малышка? Думаешь, удастся спастись? No one escapes. Out! Вылезай! Но трать моего времени! I always find... Она тоже была порядочной стервой. Собака! Убью тебя! Убью!
Ha ha ha!